Python graph library. I'm writing a Python application that will make heavy use of a graph data structure. Nothing horribly complex, but I'm thinking some sort of graph algorithms library would help me out. I've googled around, but I don't find anything that particularly leaps out at me. Anyone have any good recommendations?
Have you looked at Python Graph? I haven't used it myself, but the project page looks promising.
Use the Boost Graph library, Python bindings.
Also, you might want to take a look at networks.
There are two excellent choices: Networks and iGraph. I like Networks, but I read good things about iGraph as well. I routinely use Networks with graphs with 1 million nodes with no problem. It's about double the overhead of addictive size V plus E. If you want a feature comparison, see this from the Networks Discuss list. Feature comparison thread.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.